Hi guys, found this one stored away in my workroom. It's a four-wheel drive electric car. It's four-wheel drive because it's got four electric motors directly driving the wheels. It's got clothes pegs on it because where I'd hot glued the motors in place years ago, two of them had come loose. So I've actually used acrylic glue to glue them back in place. So if we connect the battery up, are we going to get anything? Looks like we've got to charge the battery. Oh, that's a shame. I was hoping we'd get it going. Okay, I'll go and charge the battery, but you can see what it is. It's a, well, I'd say a credit card. That's a Amazon Prime card. And four little electric motors. They came out of vibrating toothbrushes. If I remember, I'll put a link in the video description to the little help file I did on how to get them out of the toothbrush and get the eccentric weight off the shaft without damaging the motor. Anyway, I'll be back in a minute. Right, rather than wait for that battery to recharge, I've put magnets on both wires there, and we're just using an ordinary zinc carbon battery or whatever that is. So they're all running. What I also did is I melted some holes in there, and we'll try it on the tether, see if we can get it to go round in circles. Got a paper clip on there and a bit of string. Connect the power. And away we go. Four-wheel drive. Credit card. I'll see if I can find the link for the original build. Don't remember when I did that. Just move the camera a sec. That's going to go for ages, isn't it? That'll have to do. That's a long enough video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.